Back when I was running my own cafe, I faced a bit of a challenge. We had only induction stoves and a couple of ovens in the kitchen, and bacon was a hot item on the menu, so I had to come up with a method to cook it efficiently. And that's when I created what I like to call maple bacon, and it quickly became a customer favourite, but I never divulged how simple it is to make until now, and here's how it works. You can use as much bacon as you like. I start by lining a baking tray with parchment paper and arranging the bacon rashers in a single layer on the tray. Then I pop the tray into a preheated oven set at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes. And while the bacon is in the oven, I grab a small bowl and mix 2 tablespoons of maple syrup with 1 tablespoon of American mustard. You can use any type of maple syrup and mustard, but I find that the combination of American mustard and maple syrup pairs beautifully with the bacon. After the bacon has been cooking for about 10 minutes and is just starting to sizzle slightly without much colour, I take it out of the oven. Using a pastry brush, I lightly coat the bacon with some of the maple and mustard mixture. You don't want to go overboard here, just a light brushing will do. In fact, I usually end up with some leftover mixture even after coating all this bacon. At this point, you have 2 options. You can refrigerate the bacon for later use, just like I used to do in my cafe, or you can proceed to the next step straight away. Pop the bacon back into the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes until it's sizzling and has developed a beautiful colour. Keep in mind that ovens vary, so you'll need to judge when it's cooked to your liking. And there you have it. Today, Mike and I enjoyed it with some scrambled eggs. Absolutely delicious. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.
Breakfast is ready, darling.
Oh, thank you, sweetheart.